Glamettes. It's your girl Angela, aka Southern Comfort Glam. I'm here again to bring you guys a look. This look I have been promising to get out, and it's a look that I actually did on a local page, and I recreated it from somebody else's look on that page. So using all Juvia's Place palettes in this look. It's a royal purple, so to say, look, kind of matched with my hair. I'm so digging my hair in this curly natural state. I don't know, how do you guys feel about it? I hope you guys like it. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, you guys know what you need to do. You need to stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. P.Louise base Rumour 2. Gonna be placing that all over the eyelid. And with my little mini beauty blender, I'm gonna blend that right on out. But yeah. Enjoy. And also, you want to make sure your beauty blender is down. Most definitely down. Alright, so I'm going into my Fenty Beauty powder. My camera is acting janky today. And it's the blotting powder. So using that on a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going over everywhere that I put that eyeshadow primer. So it won't be sticky once I apply my shadows. So going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm going to go into that first shade, that purple shade. This palette doesn't have names, so sorry, but it's the purple shade in the palette. So on a Morphe brush, I can't now remember the exact number of the brush. It is from James Charles collection, the smaller brush. I'm taking that and I'm really putting it into my crease. So with light motion, I'm just blending it out. So now I'm going into the pink shade. That pink shade is going to play as my transition shade. So it's going right on top of that purple, and I'm just nicely blending that out. Just blend, blend, blend. Kind of blending the two together, transition shade. And I'm taking that up as high as possible and even into my nose area. Oh, I'm sorry. And I got a gold shade. Man, this camera is janky. I'm sorry. If you put something else in front of that camera, it's gonna get all out of focus. You see me fussing with it. Alright, so now I'm going into my Magic Mini. And I'm going into that shade. LFE. That's what we're gonna call it. And on a pencil brush, Morphe pencil brush, I'm taking that shade and I'm really packing that into my crease. So that's going to give my crease even more depth. So I'm just packing that in, packing, packing, packing. So back into that fluffy blending brush with that leftover purple on it. I'm just taking this color here and I'm blending it up into that very first purple that I used from the Zulu palette, so that it won't look harsh. You don't want this look to be harsh. That's not the object of it. That's why you blend. So I'm taking it out into the outer corner of my eye as well to kind of give it a feathered outlook. And that leftover pink, I'm blending those two together as well. Back to my P.Louise base Rumour 2, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's number 18 to cut my crease. And like I said, trick to find your crease, take your product, put it on your lid, and then look up. Once you look up, it's going to transfer onto where your natural crease lies. I just haven't tightened my bag out. So now I'm just sketching it out. Here it's a little lengthy process, so I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. So just enjoy it. Enjoy the background. Alright, I will say this. Cutting your crease should be the thing that you take the most time on, because you want that to be sharp, nice looking, not sloppy. So it usually takes about a minute or two for me to cut my crease when I'm not rushing. And I try not to rush cutting my crease, you know, anytime. Yeah, I messed up and now I gotta go back over it. So you're gonna see me go back and forth correcting. So taking my little tiny, I think that is a Sigma brush. It's like a Sigma liner brush, and I'm just using some of that purple blue shade from the Magic palette, that LFE. Going up with that. Now with my beauty blender, blending that sucker out, going back correcting where I over blended out. Yeah, it's pretty nice, no joke. Alright, so on a Sedona Lace Performance eyeshadow brush, I am in that shade Nubia from the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. That shade is going to go all over my lid. And I'm actually going to add some glitter. It's the glitter liner from Urban Decay in Midnight Cowboy. I didn't do it on camera. I thought I was getting it, but my camera was not recording. Isn't that great? So yeah, but all I did was just apply that all over the lid to give it that sparkly appearance. As you can see on my other eye, that's the glitter. And so here I'm taking another Sigma brush. It's like it's a liner brush, and I'm getting really, really close to where that cut crease begins and ends. Trying my darndest to get this as precise as possible. That is your goal. Precise and neat. Get a little straggly here. Oh, crack myself up. Alright, so I'm gonna line my eyes and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Going in with my MAC Cotton Naughty Lash mascara, and I'm just coating my top lashes before I apply my lashes. Alright, so Urban Decay pencil. It's in the shade of Lust. This is going right into my bottom lash line and my waterline. Sorry, I'm trying to look into the mirror. It's down below me, all in my hair. Alright, so on a MAC tight liner brush, I'm back into the LFE shade in my Magic palette. And I'm just pretty much just smudging it out. Just want to smudge out that purple liner that I originally put on, along with that shadow. Back to the Hot and Naughty. Going on those bottom lashes. I'm going to screw some up a bit. I am not going to apply my lashes on camera because it gets a little weird. But I will show you guys which ones I'm using. Using another thing of mosquito lashes. These are in Grandiose. I like Grandiose lashes. Get that ba boom. So I'm putting on lash glue right here. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Yeah, I got a pull on my forehead. Double one. And one on my chin. Just hoping that good. But bringing you guys the finished look. I'll be back. Alright you guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Check out some more of my videos. Again, thanks so much. Bye.